The Totallee iPhone 13 Pro Max case is a super thin and super light iPhone 13 Pro Max case. It offers white, black, blue, green and transparent in colors. The material is plastic and it is MagSafe compatible. Totallee iPhone 13 Pro Max case. For those that want a case that feels like a barely there, Totallee makes some of the thinnest. The Totallee iPhone 13 Pro Max case is as thin as a fingernail in its matte version, and its transparent model is only as thick as a dime. Despite their thinness, these cases do serve to protect the phone from minor mishaps and general wear. In addition, the small lip around the camera section and screen keeps users from dents and scratches and can help absorb shock from minor drops. However, the Totallee case isn't for everyone. It's not meant to provide extensive shock protection, and it's too thin to prevent damage from significant tumbles. Those that are clumsy or use their phone in places where it's likely to take damage should look towards something a bit stronger. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, feel free to share with your friends and subscribe us for regular videos.